So what's going on, y'all? I know it's been a minute since I uploaded anything. Um, as you see today, I got the iHome Zenergy bedside sleep therapy machine. Got light therapy, sound therapy, and Bluetooth clock, radio, and USB charging. Um, supposed to help with your circadian rhythm and all of that. So help you sleep better and wake up more refreshed and everything. What I realized with heart health and everything, sleeping is very important. Definitely have to keep that up and everything. Make sure you're good. So I'm just unboxing video. Just got it today. I will definitely let you guys know how it is, how I slept. Like, I'm a mailman right now. So, yeah, I changed careers. I'm a mailman now, so sleep is very important. Tomorrow, I'm in New York, so right now we have that giant storm that's gonna hit us. So I need to sleep. Hold on a minute. Go like that. I hope this is the front of it because let me just make sure. That's too bad. I don't open it the right way. Just like this. I'll be mad if I did it. So clearly, this is always going to be charging or keep it plugged in or whatever. This is really nice. The clock is really portable. Wow. These are all the buttons up top. See, so it's nice. Like I said, I'm gonna let you guys know, and you got the buttons on the side. Zen, Dream, Ocean, Storm Season Sound Therapy. USB in the back. Tomorrow I'm getting the new thing from iHome. I'll definitely upload it tomorrow. Thank you. Like and subscribe. I appreciate the love. See you guys later.